Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your Earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots on your iPhone. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, so we need to press and hold the empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it, or you can use a search and write batteries here and tap on them. Right here we have 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And right here you can check a battery percentages anytime, but make sure that your earbuds are turned on and connected to your phone. The second option is to use an application. Open TOZO app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you can check a battery percentages right here for the left and right earbuds. And if you want to check it for the charging case, you need to put at least one of your earbuds to the charging case, and right here we will have the information for the battery percentages for your charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!